So basically the harness connector is right at this location right here, top left corner of this cigarette outlet. So basically you need to get inside with your finger and you can feel it. And according to the manual, you need to basically remove this cover and the side panel. That's really take a lot of extra work. Actually, I do not recommend to do that because it's really a lot of extra work and it's really messy. So basically, for the connector, you just open this and it's right here, top left corner. Remember, around this area, top left corner. So, and here from the bottom, there's rubber right here, this location. You can pop this out from bottom and you can push through the connectors through the hole. And you see my finger here. So you can basically go under the panel to reach that connector. So okay, so let's start. Remove the spare tire first. That's the one. That's the one I mentioned about. So you just need to push and pop this out. Okay. So that's for the wiring harness. So let me goes up and connect those. Okay, that's the wiring harness I talk about, and that's also came from CURT, and I think that's 56291 is the model number. So it's to match with this 2016 Hyundai Pilot, and I bought this as a used one from Amazon warehouse, and I think no parts is missing. That's good enough. I mean, I actually got this pretty new. So basically, before we install, we need to, here is the fuse right here, and we need to open the bag and get a 10 amp fuse, put it inside, make sure it's really tight there, and put the cap on. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, we have this cap on, and I don't know if you can see here, that's the one I just pop out from the bottom, and you can see right here the hole right here. So basically you just need to put all those stuff through the hole to the bottom. You just put down as much as you can. Actually the wire is pretty long. Okay, and here you get the converter here. So basically this connector part you need to put in through the bottom and put this up. It goes up there. Let's see. Okay, so basically this white wire is for the ground, so we're gonna put this on later. And so right, this one we slide in and we got here. Put this out, and you remember the connector is right on the top left corner of this 12-volt cigarette lighter. So we can pull it out a little bit, but not that much. I think there's something tied inside. I don't want to put too much to damage something. Yeah, it's pretty short. It's kind of hard to do it, but I think if you take some time, it's still possible to do it without removing all the panel stuff. Alright, so let me put this on. Okay guys, so right now I have the wiring harness connected. You can see from here. So basically I have to lie down in the trunk to get better angle to see from bottom to see through the panel, the hole, to see how to connect it. Once you can put them in the correct position, it's very easy. Just put in and slap on immediately. Okay, and right now I have the converter here, and that's the ground cable. So basically there's a hole right available right there. That's the hole. So basically you just need to screw this ground wire to the hole and you are done. Okay, and they do provide the screws right here. You just need a Phillips driver to put it on. So actually initially I would like to put this screw and the ground wire to this hole right here, but turn out the hole is too big for the screw, for the provided screw, and right now I don't have screw available in hand. So basically I just cut a little bit copper wire. I'm gonna plan to put inside and put the screw on to see if they're gonna fit or not. So just put it in and let's see if this is going to fit there. Actually I tried to look for some spots below. I really didn't find anything good for this actually. Okay, right now I was able to put this ground wire to the position with a extra piece of copper wire. Otherwise this one is too big to match it. I mean, anyways, it was there. And by the way, I have to take the jack stand out to get more room to fix the screwdriver. Yeah, basically it was ready, and right now you just need to cut a little bit for this hole, cut from outside, so you can fit this. You can slide this wire inside in the, I would say, this adapter or O-ring. So I was able to use a scissor to cut a hole right there, and right now we just slide the cable in. Actually it fits very well, right? So I put this wrong way. So just put this in, and this one you can tie about, you can tie to this location or you can leave it down here. I think that's really doesn't matter, but I would tie there to save some space for the jack stand. So I just tie all the wire with this converter together, and then use another zip tie to tie to the hole right here. Make sure you don't tie to this hole, because this hole you need to put this cap on, because the cap won't take these two holes. So I use this one to put it on. We got the wiring harness cable get on here, so you just tie along through the hitch receiver and all the way here, all the way to the front. I think that's it. Okay, when you finish all the connection and fuse in the back side, right now it goes back to the front under the hood. You just need to open this fuse box. So just tap in with all three clips, and you're located right the trailer. So right this one next to the big screw here, you got the trailer one, which is 30 amp. Here 30 amp, and just slide this in. Actually that's the only location you can put this on, otherwise I don't think you can fit anywhere else. Well, there do some location, but there's nowhere inside. So actually that's the only location is available for this one. You can never miss it. So just put this 30 in, and there's no, it's like either way you can put it in, doesn't matter which direction. And put this back on. For the installation of the ground wire took me a lot of time, and I tried to find a big screw and I really don't have it, so I have to put a copper wire there to fix it. Otherwise all other is pretty smoothly. And okay, thank you very much, and I hope that's going to be helpful a little bit. Welcome to leave out any comment below. Thank you, appreciate it.